All, welcome to Language and Linguistics brief video. My name is R.Sathya, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of English, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. In this video, I am going to give a brief about the Language and Linguistics Unit 3, Unit 4 and Unit 5. Let us get into the video. And in the first slide, I have given the overall brief about the third unit, that is growth of vocabulary. In growth of vocabulary, what are all the spellings have been changed, how new words are formed, and I have listed out some of the ways that how vocabulary has developed. For example, the first one is compounding. Compounding is very simple to understand. We are joining the two words and we are going to create a new word, that is compounding. For example, we can say gate. It is a noun. Keeper also a noun. So gate plus keeper is equal to gatekeeper. So we are joining the two different or the same parts of speech and we are going to create a new word, that is compounding. And the second one, affixation. Affixation is nothing but in the word in the before if we add prefix, or at the word if we add suffix, we can create a new word, that is called affixation. For example, let me say faith. So it is a word, and at the end if we add full, faithful, or else we can add yes or es. For example, mango. If we add yes, mangoes. If we add yes, so in that way we are going to create a new word, that is affixation. And telescoping is nothing but when we talk about a word in a speed way, we can skip something. For example, don't. In that way, that is called as telescoping. And onomatopoeia, it is considered as one of the theories in the origin of language also. Nothing but that imitation of sound. By imitating the sound of the species, we are creating a vocabulary, that is called onomatopoeia. And homonym, so in the picture I have given, we have same pronunciation, same spelling, but it gives different meaning. For example, bat, right, okay, band, ring, all those comes under homonym. And homophones, we have different spelling, but pronunciation same, but meaning is different, that is called homophone. So these are all the precise information about Unit 3. And next one, Unit 4. And Unit 4, when the vocabulary has developed, how the meaning changes. For example, how it is from specific to gentle to specific. Even if you see the first one, generalization, in those days they have used the word dog to refer a particular breed, but nowadays it refers to the common breeds, that is called generalization. And how the word once used in a gentle way and how it becomes in a specific way. For example, deer, it is used to mean any animal, but now in a specific way we are indicating, or we are using the word to mention the specific animal, deer. Change of meaning. This is a fourth unit. And coming to the last unit, phonology, vowels, consonants and diphthongs. It is a huge topic to talk because phonology, it is all about, comes under phonetics, and phonology, which means the study of the elementary a speech sound. We all know phoneme, how the sounds join together to produce a word, and after we have morphology, semantics, syntax, all those things. And phonology, which means study of the elementary speech sound. And if you take speech sound, one is vowel and another one is consonant. So vowel, we all know, that is 5 letters, the sound A, E, I, O, U, and remaining letters comes under consonants. In simple, vowel definition is vowel sound produced through voiced sound during the production, which they are escaped through the freely and continuously without any audible frictional voice. That comes under vowel, and we have closed vowel, round vowel, all those things we are going to discuss in a detailed way. And consonants, articulated mouth sounds are consonants. It use articulatory system. And another topic is diphthong. So diphthong is nothing but when the two vowels join together and produce a sound or produce a word is called as diphthong. So the two vowel sounds that are pronounced together to make a one sound. For example, here you could say here, here. The two vowel join and then produce one sound that comes under diphthong. and we have monothong also we have. But these are all the topics only we covered in this syllabus. Hope you all get some idea about the paper language and linguistics. Thanks for watching. Thank you.